Hello and welcome to our Idiom in a Minute course. This is Hanaa Said. Let's get started. Today we are gonna talk about this idiom. It's very simple. Early bird. What does it mean? Early bird means someone who wakes up and starts working very early. For example, if you wake up and go to work early, you will succeed. Don't be lazy. Another one, I'm always wake up at 6 a.m. I'm an early bird. Quiz time. Fill in the blank. She's a real space. She wakes up before 8, sometimes at 6. Your answer is brilliant. Early bird. Let's recap. Early bird means wake up early. Now we have a challenge. If you know the difference between early birds and night owls, you can tell us in the comment below. Until next time, keep learning.